welcome back. I'm in here in the kitchen today with my niece and nephew, Jordan and Lauren, and we're cooking from Paula Deen's My First Cookbook. So start on your toast, y'all. Start on your toast. You got a lot of work to do because we're fixing to make green eggs and ham together. Y'all, Lauren and Jordan are using some of my antique cookie cutters on some white bread. Jordan and Lauren are spelling out their name. All right, so how are y'all coming? Look, Lauren. All right, so we got the A. Oh, I love the toast. So y'all be working on that. And I'm gonna be coming down here and I'm gonna be working on your green eggs and ham because I'm gonna need to chop up our ham, and I'm using probably about 8 ounces.
Can you really make green eggs and ham?
Of course you can. You know that we can. You've lived here your whole life, and you know how big St. Patrick's Day is around here, don't you? Here in Savannah, we have the second largest celebration of St. Patrick's Day, second only to New York City. So everything in this city turns green, including our grits and our eggs. So I'm gonna turn on our eye, and I'm gonna let our pan start heating up. And how are y'all coming?
Good. There
we go, look. L-A-U-R-E-N. I love it. Okay, Jordan, come on, buddy. Look at that, isn't that cute? All right, so I've got our pan getting hot, y'all. So Jordan, are you through with your name yet?
I got Jorda.
Okay, we'll get you an in, and Lauren, you come down here and crack our eggs, sweetie. All right, I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of butter in our frying pan, and then I'm gonna put our ham in. So we're gonna cook that up. You've read Green Eggs and Ham, hadn't y'all?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Did y'all like it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You know, when Jamie and Bobby were little, I used to get them Dr. Seuss books. All right, Jordan. Let's go ahead and get that in the oven.
Okay.
Because we're gonna have to toast these off. Look at that, I love it. Lauren and Jordan, do you like it?
Yes.
Has your auntie impressed y'all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yay. All right, so in the oven it goes. All right, Lauren, give that to Jordan. And while he's beating, you add a little pepper and a little salt to it, okay? Come on, Jordan, beat it, baby. Beat it, beat it, beat it. You take art at school. You've done the color wheel.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, Lauren, what colors do you need to make the color green?
Yellow and blue.
That's exactly right. We've got the yellow from the eggs, so we're gonna add blue food coloring.
How much?
Oh, I don't know. I always say that you can add 2, but you can't take out. So let's start with just a little bit, okay? All right, beat that up and see what you've got. And see if that's the color you like. You can make this as green as you want to. What do you think?
Looks good.
You think so? Okie doke. Whoa! Our ham is talking to us. So we're ready for y'all to pour our eggs over our ham. We have got green eggs, y'all. All right. Now what we need to do, y'all come on over here. So what we want to do is, you see our eggs are starting to get done. So what you want to do is just pull them back from your pan like that. And let the raw part of that egg get down in there. So you do that, Jordan.
Cooking, Paul, I'm cooking.
Yes, you are cooking. You cooking with gas. And once you get the raw over on the edges, then you can kind of just toss them over. There you go. Those are looking awfully good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so let's turn that heat off. And we've got our plates over here. I'm gonna dip us up some eggs, and there's our fork. Ooh, doesn't that look good? So I'm gonna get our toast out. And I'm gonna take this off the sheet for y'all because, ow! Because our sheet is hot. Jordan, Lauren. and Annie will have a dog bone. So y'all taste and tell me what you think. What do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Yes. You smell.
Mmm.
They're delicious.
Aren't they delicious? Y'all did a grand job.